hurricane deductible. So you have coverage for a hurricane, right? Well, let's see how that works for you. You insure your home, your pride and joy, and there it is, special hurricane endorsement. So you read your policy and you see somewhere in there $1,000 deductible. So you're good to go, right? Well, no, because you didn't see the special hurricane deductible. A 5% hurricane deductible is $35,000, 10%, $70,000. So exactly how special is that? But your insured also may have increased your wind and rain deductible to 2 or 5%. So even if it's not a hurricane, you get nothing on the first $35,000 worth of damage after depreciation. Not sure if you're covered? Give me 15 minutes to review your homeowner's policy. I can make or save you thousands. You can use this QR code, or you can call me at 201-982-1223.